Okay, this is the room we are working on, and this is the current before. Just for reference, we are working in this particular area. There's going to be a bathroom there. Just for reference, this is the door. So on the finished product, you should see a toilet unit here. Remember that door? Well, this is what's happening now. There's a soil pipe there going through the wall. I'll show you that in a bit. And then basically this is the new toilet shower unit, all wired up. Run new cables through the wall, new switch, new plug, new liner. This is the soil pipe. This is the entrance waste to go through, and the shower unit is already fitted in. All the pipes are in, just got to be connected, and we're done. So this wall from left to right is going to get some wooden slats soundproofing on. Okay, we're going to go all the way